just round the corner and it is the perfect time to kickstart the festivities with the party at home. House parties are always fun with your friends and loved ones. It's the process, however, that makes them a little daunting to organize. The decor, the menu, the guest list, everything has to be perfect. And perfection is in itself a big task to achieve. But worry not, we are here to help you throw a hassle-free party with the right planning. The first and foremost step is, of course, the budget. Budgeting is important so that you don't get carried away trying to plan everything perfectly. You need to fix a budget beforehand, keeping in mind how much you are comfortable spending. Allocate a certain amount of money for food, drinks, decor, and other essentials for the party, and stick to it no matter what. And yes, like we stress for Plan B, keep a surplus amount which you can use in case of emergency or a sudden requirement. But define that emergency for yourself. If you have a small space, it's unnecessary to invite too many people. Stick to only your close friends and do mention in the invite if a +1 is invited. You should spice up the Diwali party with an interesting theme of your choice. Use your creativity and come up with an interesting theme to impress your guests. Similarly, the decor should complement the theme, so integrate the elements wisely. Lanterns, fairy lights, and diyas are some of the ways to decorate your home in a minimalistic way. A party is nothing without good food. So you have to put extra effort to plan the right menu. When it's Diwali, you can stick to a combination of traditional and light food. From appetizers to main course and desserts, food should be finger-licking. And yes, don't forget the drinks. Foods and snacks like tacos, pizza, kebabs, pani puri, murukku, and aloo bhujia can definitely kickstart the party. What's a party without fun and games? Groovy and chart-topping music is a must to bring life to any party. Make some space in your living room so that people can feel free to shake a leg and enjoy the party. Just like that, plan games that everyone would like to play, like card games, Uno, or good old Antakshari. We hope you have a fab Diwali. Do let us know if this video made your planning better and share with us how you celebrated the day with your loved ones. And also stay tuned to SHOWSHA for more such content.